Hello students, in previous video we learned about email system. Now today we learn about secure communication. So sharing information is the important feature of the web, and the very feature makes it vulnerable to attacks and makes it is insecure too. Every day people share lots of private information such as banking information, net banking, credit card details for online payments or login IDs and password for various types of accounts such as social media accounts and email accounts. This information is so important and private that this must be secure, exchanged over the web, and it must not fall into the hands of people with malicious intentions. So generally such kind of activity is done by the hackers and other eavesdroppers on the internet. So to ensure the safety of the information being transmitted over the web, many internet security measures are employed. So we want to secure all these things. So there are lots of methods to secure this. So encryption is one of the such measure and is highly recommended too. So encryption is a technique to ensure our information. So what is encryption? So encryption is a technique that translates the original data into a form which is not usable form of data. So encryption is what we translate data into such kind of form where other user cannot understand this. The encrypted data must be decoded or decrypted to bring it back to the original form. When our data sent to proper destination, that time it will be decrypted. Decrypted means it come into the again in original form. So to decrypt the data, a specific code called decryption key is required. Generally it is known as password or other captcha code is known as for the decryption key. Only the people that have access to the secret code, it means decryption key, that can decode and read the actual data. So crucial data safety is ensured by the use of protocol called HTTPS. HTTPS stands for HTTP secure, which transfer the data in encryption form so that eavesdroppers cannot make use of it. So first we think what kind of attacks, what kind of vulnerable attacks can be done on the our data, like whenever we share lots of private information such as banking information, credit debit card details or social media details or other our email accounts or login IDs. So to secure these data we use encryption. And what is encryption? Encryption is a technique that translates the original data into a form which is not usable form of data. And after the encryption, when the data sent to the proper destination or proper man, then he can decrypt the code. So decrypt the code means get back data in the original form. So this thing is done by the decryption key, and this key have only proper access people. And to 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 data safety is ensured by the use of protocol which is known as HTTPS. S stands for secure. So it transfer all the data in the form of encryption. So any hacker or cracker or eavesdroppers cannot use this. So what is HTTPS? First we learn. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure, and is a combination of HTTP and SSL. So what is SSL? Secure Socket Layer. HTTPS provide encrypted communication and secure identification of a network web server. HTTPS encrypt your data and establish a secure channel over a non-secure network to ensure protected data transfer. So it is very important protocol. So it encrypt our data and establish a secure channel over a non-secure network to ensure protected data transfer. Thus, the data is protected from eavesdroppers and hackers who want to intercept and access our data. That is why most bank apply HTTPS, because HTTPS connection are more secure for online payment transaction compared to HTTPS connection. So today all the financial transaction or other critical information is transferred by the HTTPS protocol. And what is secure socket layers? It means SSL. So it is a mechanism of data transfer over internet to provide a safe passage for the transmission of data. So generally it provides safe passage to transfer the data, like transferring a message inside a locked safe. It encrypts the data so that third party cannot eavesdrop on the transmission and view the data being transmitted. How SSL works? The working of SSL require that the website has SSL certificate installed which ensure its authenticity. Once installed, the sensitive information such as credit card details, login or password details is obtained from the user through a secure connection over the internet. Without SSL, the attackers can try to steal personal information given to the site. So, how we know that our website is HTTPS secure or it has secure socket layer? This thing we done by the following diagram. So, if the any website starts from HTTPS, so it means it has secure website. So, data will be sent in the encrypted manner. And if we have this padlock, so it means we have safe passage and SSL is working. So HTTPS is the standard HTTP is changed to HTTPS, automatically telling the browser that the connection between the server and browser must be secured using SSL. And the padlock is activated, showing the browser connection to the server is now safe. If there is no padlock, then it means, or padlock is shown broken symbol, the page does not use the SSL. So now how we can get that our website is secure or not? So this thing can be done. So today we learn about what is secure communication. To secure the communication, what kind of technology we are using? So we are using encryption, we are using HTTPS, and we are using secure socket layer. HTTPS send the data in the encrypted form, and secure socket layer provides safe passage for the data transmission. Then we learn how we can know our website is secure or not. So this thing can be done.